Hey, Restore Leaders. Listen, happy Monday morning to you. I'm so proud of you. I just finished praying for you. And I want to send you this video. I want to do a little bit more of this just to kind of make sure we are all on the same page, heading in the same direction. I want to invite you tonight at 6:30 to meet in the lift room. If you can make it, we have a very brief time of prayer, a brief time of kind of getting us exactly where we need to be. And then that 6:30 to 7 is a massive time of greeting, serving, concierging, and so that starts at 6:30. If you can make it, make it. I'm going to give you more information about the funeral service for Ken Walker. Many of you have asked about that, and I think we've got that cemented from what I'm hearing. So I'll have more information tonight. I'll send an email on that as well. And more than anything, what we're going to do tonight is we're going to touch people at a point of their need. God's going to use you. This is a verse I want to share with you. Psalm 146 verse 7. This is what I'm praying over you tonight and over our environment this evening. It says that God upholds the cause of the oppressed and he gives food to the hungry. The Lord sets prisoners free. I pray that tonight over you, over all those we come in contact with. Let's have an amazing night of Restore. You are making a difference, God, through you, and I thank God for you.